Once upon a time, there was a girl named Cinderella, and Cinderella went into a telephone booth and came out Superwoman, and she flew away.
That's not the whole story. You had to look at the pages.
You're right. I'm sorry. I should have told the right story. How about I start again and tell the whole story? Once upon a time, there was a woman named Cinderella. Now, Cinderella was visited by
I'm not waiting for Superman. I'm waking up every single morning, going into that classroom and helping out my kids. Telling them these are your opportunities. Let's go out there and get them.
I grew up in Little Village by 25th and Pulaski. We faced a lot of challenges.
The area is predominantly low income. There is gang violence.
Mr. Romero was my teacher for sophomore, junior year, and senior year. There was some moments that in high school that I was really having trouble.
I do everything I can to keep them in school, talk about their future plans. The big picture for the vet is she wants to be a college graduate, do something in her life. She wants to work with the community.
He was a tough love teacher. When I was off track, he would notice, he would tell me, keep up with your work.
You need this to graduate, you need this to be successful.
I need to keep working hard, and that is going to be for my own good, for my goals.
This is your life. Whatever you put in, that's what you get out.
It made me feel good to know that there's someone out there that supported me and has been there.
That graduation day, while I'm reading their names, when I say, Vet, congratulations, you graduated, it's just, amazing. It's like seeing my own daughter graduate. I just remember all the time we put in, all that she went through.
Now I'm currently attending Truman College and I'm working in a community center.
Very proud of a vet, and you could do it.
I want to be a teacher. I want to have that impact that Mr. Romero had on me.
Those successes keep me coming back and keep me involved with the students, and they keep telling me that this works, that I should keep caring about these students, that I do matter, I do make a change.
I'm not waiting for Superman. I believe I already have a superhero.